गायिते राधे जय जय माधव गायिते गोकुलतरुणी मण्डलमयिते गोकुलतरुणी मण्डलमयिते राधे जय जय शलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमणे सदावते कृष्ण कृष्ण चैतन्यनाम्ने गौरक्षसे। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त तप्तकाञ्चन गौरङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी ब्रजवासते देवी ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी वै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Sattvatai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Sivasadi Sri Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So continue, we also discuss about Uttama Bhakti, the pure devotion service to Lord. ये अन्ना विलासिता सुन्नम ज्ञान कर्मात्तरम प्रीतम अनुकूलेन कृष्णानुशीलनम भक्ति उत्तम. In this Uttama Bhaktis, we also discussed about there are two symptoms. One is Sarup Lakshan and one is called Tatatshya Lakshan. Okay? First we also discussed about Tatastha Lakshan. Okay? Jnana Karmadi Anavritam. Heart should not cover with karma, jnana, yoga and tapasya. But in the beginning, sadhak should be acquired knowledge. So for this regard we also discussed, you have to acquire the knowledge of Tattvadartha Gyan and Tampadartha Gyan, knowledge about Lord and knowledge about soul. And you have to reject the knowledge about Jiva Brahma Ekagyan, oneness, the knowledge about the oneness with the Lord and Jiva. The Jiva Brahmavadis, this knowledge of Brahma should be rejected. Then another Tarsha Lakshan explained this way, that is Anna Vilasita Sanana. Heart should be free from all kinds of material desires. So now coming in this way, how should the cultivation of activities favorable to Krishna be undertaken? One should act only in such a way that bhakti may be argued, giving up lokik Vilas, that's called worldly desires. Paralokik Vilas, other worldly pursuits such as relation to the heavenly planets and acquisition of mystic perfection in yoga and in other kind of aspiration. The same idea has been expressed in Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhakta Sanjati Bhakta. When bhakti is produced only by bhakti. According to the statement, bhakti, that is called Sravan, Kirtan, Smaran, Padasevanam, Archanam, Anjanam, Dasa, Sakha, Tatmam, Imitanam. Other forms of Satsanga. Then bhakti actually coming from the association of sadhu sangha. Krishna bhakti janma mool hoy sadhu sangha. The root cause of Krishna bhakti, that is called the association of sadhu. Without association of sadhu, sadhu sangha, any method, bhakti will not manifest on heart. Okay? Bharata Goswami Bhakti explained, you have to associate with sadhu, like-minded devotee. Okay? That's called Sajatya Asay Snigdha Satogari. Srimad Bhagavatam Nama Rasa Aswatha. Sadhu Sangha means this way, always associated with Sajatya Asay Snigdha Satogari. Satogari means he is near to you and who has all kinds of knowledge about Shastra. Sajati, Asa is not Siddha and whose inner heart completely neat and pure. No duplicity, no hypocrisy, no other. Okay? And in this way, you associate with sadhu. Okay? So, Sajati Asa Snitto Satovari. Srimad Bhagavatam Nam Rasa Satari. In this way, you read Srimad Bhagavatam and relish the melodies of Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Rasa. So here also Vishwanath Chakravarti explaining how associated with sadhu, sadhu sangha. Because sadhu sangha is Krishna Nam Sankirtan. With the, you chant holy name with the association of sadhu. The meaning is that sadhan and bhav, sadhan bhakti and bhav bhakti should be done only with the objective of attaining prema bhakti. Because sadhana bhakti is aim and object how to attain bhav bhakti. And bhav bhakti is aim and object how to attain prema bhakti. So sadhana bhakti is two functions. How many?
Two.
What is that?
Purify our heart and
Clean your heart. Sadhana bhakti is first. How to clean it? As like washing machine. Eh? Washing machine what is doing? Cleaning all the dust from your cloth. In the same way, sadhana bhakti is first activities, how to clean your heart, and how to clean all the anarthas from your heart. This is called anartha. This first thing. And second,
how to attain Bhava.
how to attain on the spiritual mood of the Brajavasis. This is also. When your heart will neat and clean, then automatically your desire will come. How to get on the spiritual mood of the Brajavasi. Kriti Saddha, Bhavit Saddha, Sa Sadhana Vida, Nitya Siddhasya Bhavashya, Prakattam, Hridi Saddhati. So now coming to the sadhana is two functions. How to clean our heart and how to attain one spiritual mood, the Brajavasis. Then Bhav Bhakti, aim and object, how to attain the prema. Suddha Satta, Viseshatma, Prema, Sajjam Samavako, Ruchi Vichitta Smarshana Kridaso, Bhav Uchyate. Actually, this Bhav Bhakti not depend on your sadhana. Your endeavors, but when mercy will come, then you attain the Bhav. So that means one question is, one word you can say, Bhav Bhakti completely depend on the mercy of Lord. That is called Kripa Sattva. Understand? Without this mercy of Guru and Krishna, any method, you cannot attain the Bhava Bhakti. But how to receive this mercy of Guru and Krishna? You have to practice sadhana. Without sadhana, you cannot get. But sometimes Krishna's also special mercy, that is called Aituki Kripa. Without sadhana, then also you may get. But that is very, very rare. Not so. Sadhana, your endeavors, then you receive this mercy of Lord. Mother Jasoda, from morning to evening, afternoon, she is trying to bind to Krishna with the rope. But every time, two fingers shortage. The rope, two fingers shortage. One finger is sadhana, another finger mercy. So in the same way, Bhav Bhakti also depends on this. But Bhav Bhakti is called mercy of Guru and Krishna. That Sanskrit word is called Kripa Siddha. So here Krishna Chakravarti Pad explained the meaning of this is that the sadhana and Bhav Bhakti should be done only with the objective of attaining Prema Bhakti. Therefore, to be devoid of all the desires other than Bhakti, that is Uttama Bhakti. So the sadhus are always encouraging how to attain the Suddha Bhakti. give up all kinds of material desires. It is especially noteworthy here to consider why it is that the term Annabhilasita Sunnam has been used rather than Annabhilas Sunnam. Here now some arguments come. Why Rupa Goswami Pad composed Annabhilasita, or another is called Annabhilas. What did he say? So what did he write? Annabhilasita Sunnam, devoid of all kinds of material desires other than Krishna Bhakti.
That means all
And here Vishwanath Chakraborty Pad very nicely explained. Because all our Shastras say you should be free from all kinds of anarthas, annabhilas. Annabhilas means desires for material sense gratification. That is called annabhilas. Anno abhilas, annabhilas. Other than desires, other than Krishna. That desires, that is called annabhilas. I only serve to Guru and Krishna. And when our tendency will come, then to enjoy sense gratification, material desires coming, then annabhilas coming. So now coming in this very nicely scientific way, Sri Rupa was our Vishwanath Chakraborty Pad explaining. It is very deep and confidential idea of Rupa Goswami Pad has been concealed in the statement. Sri Rupa Goswami Pad had used the term Annabhilasita Sunnam after giving a great deal of consideration to this matter. The term of Annabhilas meaning is desire for others' object. Look like same meaning. Annabhilasita and Annabhilas look like same. But here Goswami Vishwanath Chakraborty explained, to this word the suffix in has first been added. Yet this suffix indicates the natural or acquired way to living or acting. Okay? Ta, Annabhila, Sita. So that is the ta, this Sanskrit word, the one suffix. That is called derivation. When you use this word, that is different kinds of suffix they are using. Such as e, a, ta, these types of words in Sanskrit word using. Here, Annabhilas, not saying there is Annabhilasita Sunni. Because conditioned soul, their spontaneous nature the Annabhilas. Annabhilas. This is the thing. How to, because if you maintain your life, many kinds of your Annabhilas coming. This is the nature of the condition of soul. Annabhilas means desires other than Krishna. Your wife, children, husband, many things you have to maintain. If you are devotee or non-devotee, but you have to maintain your life. This is the nature of conditioned soul also. If you are, here the term of Annabhilas means to desire for other objects. To this word the suffix in has first been added. This suffix indicates the natural or acquired way of living or acting. When used this conjunction with the word Annavilas. It means that in it the tendency to act under extension desires. To this the suffix ta is added, which indicates the qualities or state to bring anything. The means is that his natural condition is sadhak should have no desire other than for Krishna bhakti. But what natural state? It should not desire other than Krishna bhakti. But some condition coming, the circumstance has come, that time also you other than Krishna, one desires coming other than Krishna. That given example, Draupadi. Draupadi, she the pure devotee of Lord. She completely surrendered to Krishna. This is true. Then, she never asked anything from Krishna. In her heart, no any desires for her own sensibility. But when Dushasan pulled her cloth, and that time she also prayed to Krishna. Govinda, Rakho Hamari. Govinda, please protect me. What the protect me? Protect my shyness, lajja. She asked, oh no. Duryodhana, Dushasan, she pulled the cloth of Draupadi. This is Krishna's service or not? She asked cloth for herself, not for Krishna's cloth. She did not ask to Krishna, give one cloth, I can make one nice dress for you. But she asked to Krishna, give one cloth, I have to cover my body, lajja. So for her own benefit, she called to Krishna and she asked the sari cloth to Krishna. But that is called the not natural. That is called some certain condition. She asked to Krishna. So this is not what is called not false, not dosa. So this is called the Annavilas, because this Annavilas, but this Annavilas, understand or not? What do you understand?
So the Annavilas is the natural condition of the living entities. They have other desire other than Krishna. But in the case of Draupadi, she has a desire that's not just like the common living entities because
Draupadi, she asked the cloth to Krishna.
Only for protection.
So for her own protection, not for Krishna seva. That's why I joked. What did he say? क्या बोला?
द्रौपदी को कपड़ा दिया भगवान को तो मांगा उनका
द्रौपदी कृष्ण से कपड़ा मांगा किस लिए मांगा
उनको खुद को
फॉर अपने के लिए द्रौपदी सी आस्क्ड टू कृष्ण फॉर क्लॉथ बट व्हाई फॉर कृष्ण सेवा फॉर ओन सेवा फॉर हर ओन सेवा so how possible this is called bhakti? Because bhakti should be only pleasure for Krishna. Bhakti should not to appropriate your own service. Bhakti always only for Krishna. Given another example, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu every day used to go take rest in his Gambhira. Then his servant Govinda, he served he massaged his feet. But one day Govinda, one day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu laying down in the Gambhira, and block the door. Then block the door. So Govinda, he served the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya outside. But other side, how you serve Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? One leg, he served, massage Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And another leg, how to serve? Because you have to cross to Lord Chaitanya and go inside. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan. How possible to jump to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu blocked the door. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Then Govinda, he put one cloth over Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then he crossed to him and entered inside room. Then he massaged other leg. He massaged. समझ में? Then massaged Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, whole night Govinda he was sitting inside. Mahaprabhu midnight wake up. Hey Govinda, why you were sitting here? That time Govinda he told Prabhu, you block the road, you block the door. For this regard, one leg I massage outside the door. Then I came inside, put one cloth over your body. Then I massage another leg. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, why did not go back? महाप्रभु ने कहा तुम कैसे अंदर कैसे आ गया, है ना? तो गोविंद ने कहा आपने तो पहले चरण तो मैंने दबाया बाहर बैठ करके, और दूसरी चरण में दबाने के लिए मैंने आपके ऊपर एक कपड़ा डाल दी और नम करके आ गए, आपकी सेवा के लिए आ गए, आपके सेवा के लिए आ गए, सिर्फ अपराध हो कुछ भी हो आ गए। तो महाप्रभु ने कहा, महाप्रभु चैतन्य महाप्रभु told, why did not go back same way? That time Govinda he told, I entered inside your room for your service, but now we return back. That is for your own pleasure. That means I have to sleep. This is my service. What I am thinking, this is the offense of अपराध. तुम्हारे सेवा के लिए मैं तो अंदर में आ गया था, सेवा कर दिया। सेवा के बाद सोने के लिए किसके सोने के लिए जाऊं? अपने के लिए तो I am going to sleep for my own pleasure. So for this regard I did not cross your body. So I am sitting here. Understand? क्या बोला बताओ?
चैतन्य महाप्रभु लेटे थे,
हाँ।
तो उन्होंने दूसरे पाँव की सेवा करने के लिए कपड़ा डाल के लांग गए।
अच्छा। तो
उसी तरफ रुक गए, कहने लगे कि इस तरफ तो मैं आ नहीं पाऊंगा, तो ये तो मेरी सेवा हो जाएगी, आपकी सेवा के लिए तो लांग।
आपके सेवा के लिए मैं अंदर आ गया था, और अभी अपने सेवा के लिए मैं बाहर कैसे जाऊँ? उससे अपराध। भक्ति होता है, भक्ति means is what? All the activity is exclusive pleasure from Krishna. Draupadi, now this question is coming. Draupadi, she called to Krishna for the cloth. Why? For her own protection, not for Krishna's seva. So how possible this is bhakti? This is question is coming. How possible we say this is bhakti? So now here Vishwanath Dev. Anna, this is also Anna Vilas. Draupadi, this is one kind of Anna Vilas. Because she called to Krishna for cloth. And Krishna gave him also. Okay, this is one. So this is one kind of Anna Vilas. But this Anna Vilas, not the defects of bhakti. Because this is called the some certain condition she called to Krishna. Give an example. I am doing bhajan sadhana. If some disease or something is coming, then I pray to Krishna. Hey Krishna, give me help. Please help free from the disease. Why? Because if my body will be free from disease, then I can serve to Krishna. But I ask to Krishna free from the disease, रोग से मुक्त होने के लिए भगवान को मांगना, ये भी तो अन्ना विलास हो जाता है ना, अपने के लिए मांगना। কিন্তু why I am calling to Krishna free from the disease? Because for Krishna seva. So Draupadi, Draupadi she asked to Krishna for the cloth, this is not also Annavilas. Why? Because Draupadi she knows. My body is completely sent to Krishna. Krishna seva. Not the service for others. But here Vishwanath Chakraborty Pad explained, Annavilas sometimes some certain condition, some Annavilas come in, that is not the faults of the bhakti. Bhakti को बाधक नहीं होता है. It's not the obstacles for the bhakti. But Annavilas Sita Sunna. Sita. Annavilas Sita Sunna करें. Again and again, you are calling to Krishna for your own fulfilled desires. That is the defects of bhakti. One certain condition you can ask to Krishna. For Krishna seva, no problem. But again and again, Krishna give me wife, give me children, give me money, wealth, again and again calling to. This is called Annavilasita. This is the faults of bhakti. So Shastra saying the Annavilasita Sunni, not Annavilas. Annavilas, some certain stage coming, you can ask to Krishna for your own desire. That is also acceptable in bhakti. Bhakti से ग्रहण कर ले, स्वीकार कर ले. But again and again you call him to Krishna for your own sense desires. That is called Annavilas. That is called Annavilasita. So that Annavilasita should be divided. Should be jiva. Simple. समझ में आया? आप बताओ क्या समझ में आया? पवन बताओ क्या बोलो?
थोड़ा है।
हाँ क्या क्या सुना? हिंदी में बोलो।
एक तो जैसे आपने कहा कि मतलब द्रौपदी वाला वो आपने जो कहा था कि मतलब
नहीं, पहले दो शब्द बताए, एक अन्नाभिलाष और एक अन्नाभिलाषिता सुन्न. क्यों रूप गोस्वामी पाद अन्नाभिलाषिता सुन्न कहा गया? अन्नाभिलाष नहीं कहा करके अन्नाभिलाषिता सुन्न कहा गया. इसके बारे में कहा. अन्नाभिलाष शब्द की अक्षरिक जो अर्थ है, वर्ली वर्ड जो ये है, कृष्ण सेवा छोड़ करके और कुछ भी इच्छा मन में हो, उसके कहा जाता है अन्नाभिलाष. ऐसे कृष्ण सेवा छोड़ करके जितने भी हमारे कार्य होते जाएगा, उसे कहा जाता है अन्नाभिलाष. न अन्न, कृष्ण छोड़ करके जितने भी हमारी कथा होती जाएगी, जो भी हम करते जाएंगे, उसके अन्नाभिलाष हो जाए. तो यहाँ पर प्रश्न हो रहा है, द्रौपदी कृष्ण से क्या मांगी?
रक्षा करने के लिए बोले साड़ी.
साड़ी मांगी. ये साड़ी किस काम में लगा उसका?
तन को छुपाने में.
तो कृष्ण की सेवा क्या हुआ?
इसमें नहीं हुआ.
कृष्ण की सेवा नहीं किया, तो इसको भक्ति कैसे मान लिया जाए? भक्ति तो एकमात्र होगा कृष्ण सेवा छोड़ करके और कुछ होना नहीं चाहिए. हमारे जो कुछ भी टारगेट हो, कृष्ण की एक्सक्लूसिवली प्लेजर केस हो, श्रुति का है ना? समझ में आया? तो इसको अन्नाभिलाष कहा जाएगा. द्रौपदी के यहाँ पर अन्नाभिलाष दिखाई पड़ रहे हैं, क्योंकि इसमें कृष्ण की सेवा कुछ नहीं है. हुआ कुछ? और क्या वो सचमुच यदि कहा जाए, वो क्या अपने तन को ढक सके कि नहीं सके? क्या ढके? अरे कृष्ण तो अंतर बाहिर है, कपड़ा दिया, कृष्ण तो अंतर बाहिर है, कृष्ण सब देखते जानते हैं, वो भी क्या बतन ढक दिया. इसलिए मैंने कभी को ब्राह्मण की कथा सुनाता हूँ. देयर वाज वन ब्राह्मण इन साउथ इंडिया, ही वर्शिप लॉर्ड रामचंद्र. 90 years he worshipped Lord Ramchandra, deities. Then after 90 years, then Lord Ramchandra manifested from the deities and asked the Brahmans, "Hey Brahman, you ask any benediction I will give you. That time Brahmana, he told, if you give one benediction, even my slip of tongue, ask any benediction, and other than your serve, you should not give me. You should not give me. यहाँ पर द्रौपदी से वो 2 उंगली भी वो भक्ति दिखा रहे हैं। वो ब्राह्मण ने कहा यदि मेरा स्लिप ऑफ टांग हो जाए, द्रौपदी तो वस्त्र मांग दे, अपने वस्त्र दे दिए, मैंने ऐसे भी मांग लिया, वो भी मुझे देना, मत देना। क्या देना? जन्म जन्म तुम्हारे चरण में अद्वितीय भक्ति होगी, आपके सेवा चरण मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। उन्होंने नहीं कहा। उसमें उन्होंने इतना कहते जा रहे, ब्राह्मण कहने लगे, हे प्रभु, यदि मैं मेरा स्लिप कोई विपत्ति में भी पड़ गया, जो आपको मांग लिया कपड़ा, आप कपड़ा मुझे मत देना, बस यही मैं वर मांगता हूँ। ये एक ही वर देना है, आपका सेवा ही बस। यू गिव मी ओनली सर्व टू लोटस फीट। ये पर नाउ वी कमिंग, वी इस कथा को कह रहे हैं, द्रौपदी कपड़ा मांगी, इसमें तो अन्नाभिलाष आ गया है? किंतु ये अन्नाभिलाष दोषावह नहीं हो रहा। क्यों? कोई सर्टेन, कोई एक विशेष परिस्थिति में कोई भगवान से मांग लिया तो वो दोषावह नहीं है। दूसरी द्रौपदी के वो भी अन्नाभिलाष नहीं है, क्योंकि द्रौपदी जानते हैं ये मेरे शरीर तो भगवान के लिए, ये शरीर जो केवल भगवान छोड़ करके और किसी को दिखाना नहीं है। ये दुष्ट दुराचारी क्यों मेरे शरीर को दर्शन करे? इसमें भी वो भी दिखाते हैं, ये भी एक प्रकार जो अंतर्निहित उनके भाव से भावी है, इसलिए दोषाभिमान नहीं हो रहा है। किंतु यहाँ पर रूप गोस्वामी पाद, now रूप गोस्वामी पाद use this word, this suffix ta, अन्नाभिलाष सीता। Annabhilas, this will be remain sometimes in certain circumstances, but not every time. And in certain time, and in or certain circumstance, and maybe your Annabhilas, other than Krishna Bhakti, you can ask to Krishna. But again and again, you ask to Krishna, give me house, wife, children, these things. That is called Annabhilas. So for this regards, Annabhilasita should not devoid of Annabhilasita, not Annabhilas. Understand? समझ में आया कुछ?
Anya means what? Anya, like Ananya.
Anna means other than Krishna Bhakti.
Ananya means one pointed.
अरे Anna नहीं, you are not understand. Annabhilasita, Anna, 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 Anna same word. You don't know Sanskrit opposite.
Prefix
Anna नहीं, Anna. Anna means other than Krishna Bhakti. Ananna or Anna, not same thing. If you don't know Sanskrit, not so easy. So Annabhilasita Sunni. Yes, you will say Annabhilasita Sunni. Annabhilas, this is some circumstance comes. Because Draupadi she called. Then give sometimes also giving one story. One cowherd boy. He was herding the cows. Herding the cows. One day that cowherd boy, he was thinking, I will make one fun joke. Then he was herding the cows, and nearby some farmers, they are cultivating the field. Then just he shouted, "Hey, tiger coming! Tiger has come! Tiger has come!" Then farmer, and they very quickly came with the stick. And when the farmer came, that time the cowherd boy, he was laughing and joking. No tiger, nothing. That time the farmer become very angry. Hey, stupid nonsense! Why you make why do you do this? Then another day, and a real tiger has come. And then that cowherd boy, he shouted loudly, "Please come and save me, the tiger has come." that farmer thinking, oh, he's stupid nonsense, he's making fun. The farmer did not come, the tiger killed the cows and killed to him also. Eh? So what is the purport, moral about this story? If in a special circumstance, you call to Krishna. Eh? When your real, as a perfect need, that time you call to Krishna for Krishna seva. Then that is called, though that is called Annavilas, that is not a defect of bhakti. Bhakti koi dosh nahi. But again and again calling to Krishna for your own desire, that is called defects of bhakti. Bhakti ke dosh nahi. Draupadi, she did not call always, hey Krishna, give me, give. When some certain condition, she called.
Can't say emergency.
Emergency. Special circumstance. When Durvasa came, she also called to Krishna. Then Krishna solved her all problems.
So why this Brahman saying I not even like Draupadi? Why he's saying like this? That the Brahmana something they said I don't want even to be like Draupadi, like calling also.
That this Brahman is saying, I don't want other than Krishna Bhakti, other than Krishna Seva, other than Ram Seva. Because that Brahman is saying this. Bhakti, bhakti means Savai Punsang Parov Dharma Jato Bhakti Adhoskar Ahituki Apratihanta Jatma Samprasati. Bhakti is Ahituki. So Brahmana, that Ram Bhakta, that devotee, he explained this way. And this way Ahituki Bhakti. I serve you without any reason. That the example is this way. But who is higher? That Brahmana, Ram Bhakta or Draupadi? Who is higher? कौन श्रेष्ठ है? समझ में आए? ब्राह्मण के कथा जो सुना है, राम भक्त की कथा सुना है, और द्रौपदी के कथा है। द्रौपदी भगवान से कपड़ा मांगी, और वो ब्राह्मण इतना दिखाते हैं कि मेरा भी कोई कपड़ा खींच करके ले जा है, मैं यदि आपको मांगा आप देना मत, बस हो सके चलो नहीं।
ब्राह्मण की भक्ति ज्यादा श्रेष्ठ।
ऊपर से ब्राह्मण की भक्ति श्रेष्ठ माना देख रहे, किंतु वास्तव सत्य नहीं है। भगवत सेवा के लिए हम सब कुछ करने तैयार हैं। दिस इज द्रौपदी। दैट ब्राह्मण दो ही asked to Krishna, he asked to Lord Ram, and if any circumstance, my slip of tongue, I asked cloth or something, you did not give. But this bhakti is not highest bhakti. Why? Because devotee, everything is to sacrifice for Krishna seva. Maybe I will go hell, by I have served to Krishna. This is the process. And Draupadi, she asked Krishna the cloth. Why? Because Draupadi, she is thinking, my body is completely surrendered to Krishna. 5% other person will be enjoying my body. But that Brahman, he did not see things. Dasharatha Maharaj, he left his body because he could not tolerate separation from Ram. And Nanda Maharaj, he also felt pang of separation from Krishna, but he kept his body for Krishna. So in this way, externally we see Dasharatha Maharaj prema is higher than Nanda Baba. But when you deeply enter bhakti, Nanda Maharaj bhakti is higher than Dasharatha Maharaj. Understand?
Yes. In the case of Draupadi, she asked him for clothes in an emergency. She gives pleasure for Krishna,
Pleasure for Krishna. Why to pleasure? First
Because
they,
she knows, because she loves him and knows that he is.
for this guy I told this, but the general meaning is looking this way. Yeah. But another also arguments coming. Krishna protect her shyness with the cloth or not? No.
No?
Eh? How possible?
He is everywhere.
Krishna is everywhere. Krishna inside of the cloth, outside of the cloth. So this is another question also coming. But according to the society, so Draupadi, she protect her body with the cloth. This is another thing.
गजेंद्र को क्या किया? गजेंद्र को मान गए हमारे भगवान।
गजेंद्र क्या किया?
वो भी द्रौपदी खाई।
वो तो दूसरी है, वो तो अपनी नहीं है, वो भी अपना गया।
What is this not?
गजेंद्र जो भगवान की जो गुजरत वो उसके तो कर्म ईसा भक्ति में आ गया, ध्रुव की कर्म ईसा भक्ति आ गई। किंतु द्रौपदी की जो भगवान से जो कपड़ा मांगी, कृष्ण सेवा के लिए ही है, क्यों वो जानती है हमारी शरीर जो भगवान के लिए सेवा में है, मैं तो भगवान के समर्पित कर दिया। आया समझ? यहाँ पर शिक्षा क्या है? समाज संस्कार भी उसी प्रकार हो, यदि नहीं हो तो पाश्चात्य देशों की भोग देश में नंगा होकर लोग घूमता रहता है, जैसे हमारे देश में क्या बोले वो नंगा साधु रहते हैं, विदेश में है ना, in the western country some they also are to enjoy the sense gratification and naked people are going. Brazil one place that is called what is called? Many places. Naked people. They are enjoy, that is called one kind of sense gratification. Bhog bhag. Yes. For this regard, Krishna stole the cloth of the gopis. Why? They stuffed this naked and what is called sense gratification. विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती एक्सप्रेस कृष्ण भी ये दिखा, नहीं तो समाज में कहता है गोपियां भी नंगा होकर स्नान करते, हम भी करें। पश्चात दूसरे के भोग बाद हमारे देश में हो जाता है, समझ in western country, especially in, I don't know, maybe others country, Brazil will be famous.
Some beaches they have.
This is called one kind of sense gratification, stupid nonsense. This is should not. And other things is should not, that is a dishonor to the demigods with the pleasure deities of water, Varun Dev, Bhagavan told. We should not do this. For this there are many reasons.
What has to do with the Shirga? Taking.
This is not you, beyond of your knowledge. Not everything you can understand.
But you began to explain.
You can understand everything, step by step. Now listen, just. After 20 years, then we maybe ask.
So he stole the gopis exactly to show that we should not be naked.
Yes.
Right? Because he told them you made offense to Varundev.
Yes. Krishna told this. You committed offense to the Lord feet of Varundev with the present deities of water. And otherwise, if Krishna would not stole the cloth of the gopis, then in India also same people also give the example, or gopis also took bath in naked, so we'll do this. Why not? For this Krishna is there. Krishna stopped this kinds of bhogavad. भगवान को उन्होंने खंडन करने के लिए ये रहे। भगवान की अनेकों लीलाएं हैं इसमें, सब शिक्षा प्रद है। All kinds of लीला, there is some teaching inside. टाइम क्या हो गया? हाँ, प्रसाद हो गया, तैयार हुए कि नहीं? क्या बोल रहा है? हाँ। अच्छा। So in this the Savikta added with the indicates the quality indicate the quality, the state of being anything. This means that his natural condition is sadhak should have no desire other than for bhakti. For if on the appearance of some unexpected calamity or the unnatural condition is sadhak pray, O Bhagavan, I am your devotee, please protect me for the calamity. If sudden calamity will come, you can pray to Krishna. Then, in spite of desires, no damage is done to this bhakti. So I told, this is not the damage of bhakti. Certain circumstances. So it is only due to some calamity that there is a special natural condition, therefore he becomes compelled by circumstance to pay in the unnatural way. It is should be understood that this desire is not his inert condition. Well, so that means this is never you ask to Krishna always. Some circumstances need. Mahabharata saying this. First Krishna told you, Yudhishthira, what do you want? Why don't want anything? I don't want wife, children, wealth, money, kingdom, everything. Again Krishna told, okay, I give some hours, you decide what you want. Then Yudhishthira Maharaj thinking, okay, I want everything. I want wife, I want kingdom, I want children, everything. Then Krishna asked, why? I want one wife for your service. Nice wife should be serve for Krishna. Nice husband should be Krishna. This thing. For Krishna Seva, I need nice wife. Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, when he was in America, he told, so why your Gurudev, Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, did not marry? Why he was brahmachari? And that time he told, some person asked my Gurudev, so why did not you marry? That time Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada told, and I did not see one lady to marry to him. मैंने ऐसी कोई स्त्रियों को नहीं देखा जो मेरे योग्य हो जिसको मैं उनकी शादी करूं। बोले क्यों? जो कृष्ण भक्ति के लिए मैं नहीं देखा, इसलिए मैंने शादी नहीं किया। I did not see one lady who served to Krishna as like Sita Devi. So he told this answer. Bhakti Siddhanta Srila Prabhupada, he told, I did not see one lady who served to Krishna and as like Srimati Radhika or Sita. So for this reason I think it is better to become brahmachari. Very rare you will get. So for this guy did not marry, I am completely brahmachari. कहाँ से मिल जाएगा? Where will get the wife and where will get the perfect wife and perfect husband? So it is better become brahmachari. Okay? Brahmachari, no? Brahmachari. No व्यभिचारी. ब्रह्मचारी and व्यभिचारी. कहाँ से मिल जाएगा? मिल जाए तो अच्छा ही है, थोड़ा बहुत मिलते रहता है, ज्यादा पूरा नहीं मिलता रहता है। Only headache. Headache or not? आता है? सिर दर्द छोड़ करके कुछ लाभ नहीं है कुछ, केवल सिर दर्द है बस। सिर दर्द के लिए केवल अपने सफेद फायदा कुछ नहीं है कुछ। आप बताओ, दिल्ली के लड्डू जो खाए वो भी पछता है, जो नहीं खाया वो भी पछता है।
जी प्रभु जी के एक फ्रेंड है ना, प्रभु जी के एक फ्रेंड है, वो बोलते हैं वाइफ की डेफिनेशन क्या है? वरीज इनवाइटेड फॉरएवर।
क्या?
वरीज इनवाइटेड फॉरएवर।
वरीज
Invited forever.
वरीज इनवाइटेड फॉरएवर।
चिंता के साथ समय नोता दे दिया। हाँ ऐसे और तो होता ही है। मैंने नहीं बोला, उन्होंने बोला।
नहीं मैंने बताया।
मुझे पता ही नहीं जाओगा।
ऐसा है कि एक दिन चली जाएगा दुकान में नजर आ गई।
हाँ
So what is this that Krishna did not protect her shyness? Because it is inside, outside, you asked this?
Hare Krishna, inside cloth, Krishna manifested in the form of cloth. So inside cloth, Krishna outside cloth. So Krishna is looking his body or not? So how did Krishna protect his body?
From the other.
But the body is for Krishna.
This body is for Krishna, but according to world, the Krishna also looking. So why not? Huh? You give this body is one also cloth and putting another cloth also. This body is also one cloth. Vasansi jirnani jatha vyahaya navani grinati marobara. This body is as like a cloth also. So we are covering one cloth to another cloth. This is cloth. This is. And when you coming in the stage of Uttam Mahabhagavad, that is Sukadeva Goswami path. Sukadeva Goswami, did he put any cloth in his body or not? Why?
Eco-vision.
Indifference.
Advaita vision.
बताओ, सुखदेव गोस्वामी कपड़ा क्यों नहीं पहने?
Nobody did it.
हैं?
Nobody the conception.
क्या क्यों नहीं पहने? उत्तम भागवत जो होता है उनके पता ही नहीं था क्लॉथ शरीर उस शरीर में है कि नहीं
देह अभिमान नहीं
है।
देह का कोई अभिमान नहीं।
देह तो अभिमान रहे नहीं रहे, उनके भी ये भी चिंतन भी करते अभिमान के, उनके पता ही नहीं हम शरीर में है कि नहीं। हम अब जब तक हम शरीर में है हम तो अभिमान रखते हैं, ठीक है, अभिमान नहीं रहने पर इम्पोज कर रहे हैं, वी आर इम्पोजिंग। But when you came the certain stage of Uttam Mahabhagavad, not Uttam Bhagavad, what? Uttam Mahabhagavad. That's called Avadut, not Nityananda Prabhu. Avadut. Sometimes he did not put also cloth. That is called Avadut. That time thinking, why I'm putting the cloth, cover to one cloth to another cloth. This is it. That is called Uttam Mahabhagavad, not Uttam Bhagavad. It is called Uttam Mahabhagavad. That is Sukadeva Goswami. Mother Devhuti also. When Devhuti left the house, he is completely absorbed with Lord. Srimad Bhagavad describes this. He is stooling, passing, knocking, no one. He was absorbed. Uttam Bhagavad. Uttam Bhagavad, put it, because he's thinking according to Loka Siksha. Loka Siksha means teaching for the others. If Gurudev not put the cloth, you also think Gurudev not putting cloth. Naga sadhu, naked sadhu. So for this Loka Siksha, even Uttam Bhakta, but Uttam Mahabhagavad, that is no Loka Siksha. Completely level. This is the plus. This is the.
But in the abodes of Lord, they are always absorbed in Prema, but they also wear clothes.
क्या बोलते हैं?
Because in the abode of Lord, they are always absorbed.
Abode of Lord.
Abode of Lord, always absorbed in Him, but they always also wear clothes.
Because they are acting the role as a human being. Also they are doing. Their cloth is not our material cloth. Their body is also not material. Everything is what turns into cloth. Gopi's cloth is not material cloth. Their cloth also turns into. Their body does. Everything is what? Turns into.
They also put clothes to pleasure.
Everything is for Krishna. And Jogmaya she arranges. Actual Jogmaya arranges. Actually, they are not putting the cloth. Who is putting their cloth? Jogmaya. They are not wearing the cloth. Jogmaya, as a small baby, does not know how to put the cloth, how to wear the cloth. जैसे छोटा बच्चा जानते नहीं कपड़े पहनना, तो माँ क्या करती है? कपड़ा पहने देते हैं ठंडी है। आपके कुत्ता जो है, देखता हूँ मैंने, कुत्ता लेकर कुत्ते की ठंडी लगता है, तो लोग क्या करते हैं? वो देखे ना, कुत्ते के ऊपर है कपड़ा चाहिए है। कुत्ता अपने आप को कुत्ते को जो है कपड़ा नहीं पहने है, तो उसके मालिक पहना देता है। ठीक उसी प्रकार उधार in the transcendental world, gopis, they externally we are looking, the gopis they are wearing cloth. Actually, this is not Jogmaya arrangement, because they always are absorbed with Krishna. All their activities are performed by Jogmaya. Understand? Even their household duties, who is doing? Jogmaya. Jogmaya manifested one form of gopis. They are cleaning. Yes. For their husband are thinking, my wife, she is working, cooking. Actually, who is cooking? Jogmaya. Srimad Bhagavatam explain this way. Because gopis, they also completely absorbed with Krishna. Yes. So for this, another thing, Jogmaya she arranged. Her husband, their husband did not see their original wife. Actually, they did not see their original wife. They saw to whom? Jogmaya. But they are thinking, this is my wife. Understand? Who is working in their house? Who is cooking? Jogmaya cooking. Jogmaya manifested from their wife form. They are cooking. And another thing, for this regard, their husband never also touch their wife's body also. Because Jogmaya is very powerful. Understand?
The original body or this Jogmaya body?
समझ में आया? इसलिए गोपियां घर में काम करती थी। पास में कौन काम करती थी? गोपियां। और जी ओरिजिनल गोपी नहीं काम नहीं करती थी। तो भगवान के समय कहाँ जंगल में कहाँ घूम रही है पता ही नहीं, कहाँ गोविंद की सब चलती जा रही। उनके घर में जो कुछ काम करती है वो स्वयं जोगमाया उनकी पत्नी के रूप धारण करके काम करती है। इसलिए जोगमाया उनके पत्नी के रूप धारण काम करने के लिए करने से है, इसलिए उनके पति लोग उनके पत्नी को कभी स्पर्श कर नहीं पाते। जो मैं ऐसी व्यवस्था कर दी। For this regard, Jogmaya actually manifested the form their wife and cooking the everything. Are their husband thinking my wife is cooking? Actually, who is cooking? Jogmaya is cooking. This. And for this regard, Jogmaya, another also, their husband never touch their body of the wife. Because that's it was the Jogmaya. Jogmaya is kicking. This is the way. It's very important. समझ में आए? और प्रेमान ये नोटा बज गया प्रसाद दो।
But gopis they making clothes for Radharani and Krishna only, because you told that they don't think about clothes. Yogamaya taking all this. So But there is some seva like making crown and
Who?
garments. Gopis.
Gopis, they always absorb with Krishna seva.
Они всегда погружены.
Gopi is not what is called working with her husband or household duties. They are not performing. Yogmaya she is doing on the behalf of gopis. 1,000 times you saying you are not understanding.
I'm asking like.
We do bhajan and sadhu, they understand. Just listen. Understand. It is a high level thing. Of course, just listen. 1,000 times listen, they won't even understand. Same what I am saying, 10, 20 times, but you can understand. Because you have no capacity to catch. But same thing you are asking, same word, 1,000 times actually. Same time you saying, Yogamaya, she manifested the form of their wife and perform household duties. I saying or not? But still you are thinking, who is doing it? Because you are not understanding. Because you are, this is the beyond of your capacity. For this you can understand. This is true. But how to understand? Again and again, listen. Just one thing, without question, just listen. Yeah. Without question, just you listen. 1,000 times listen. Then chant holy names and pray to Krishna, then realize him, then one you will understand. And if you question, that means you try to understand with your own brain, not intelligence. With your own intelligence, you can understand. Because I'm testing to you. Same what I'm saying, and same thing, same time you forget, and same question you ask me. And same answer I'm giving, but you don't understand. Why? Because you have no capacity to accept this thing. Understand? This is the main reason.
Maharaj, the question comes sometimes from Brazilian, sometimes from Russian, same question. The main is different, but the question is same.
Question is same, just different way. And answer is giving same, but they couldn't. उसको मैं 10 बार कहा, जे जोगमाया उनके पत्नी के रूप में घर में काम कर रही है। बस। और उनकी जो पत्नियां तो कृष्ण सेवा में डूबे गए। घर से चली गई, कृष्ण के रासलीला में चली गई। उनके असली पत्नी तो घर में है ही नहीं। है ये बात 1000 बार बोले इस समय, फिर वही कृष्ण घूम कर गए। क्योंकि हर वस्तु की जो है अपने के एक कैपेसिटी संस्कार भी होना चाहिए।
ममता है महाराज जी।
अरे ममता तो कृष्ण में है। You ask, but not the same question you ask him. Listen again. You can ask.
महाराज जी मैं जा रही हूँ, अभी ना वो पूजा के लिए आ गए।
अच्छा।
मुझे पंडाल जाना पड़ेगा, मैं फिर मैं आपसे
Maharaj, the husband, they are jivas or they are also manifestations of Yogamaya?
Some jivas, some also different, not all.
Some husbands are sakas.
Hare Krishna.